And now weather with Melissa Hackney on KPVI News 6, your news source for East Idaho.
Good Monday morning. Starting out, we're at 26 degrees in Pocatello, 27 in Idaho Falls. So it's a chilly start to the day. 6-mile-per-hour winds right now in Pocatello. Taking a look at our satellite and radar map of the region, you can see it's pretty clear and calm out there right now. Not a whole lot of activity, and that's about what it's going to be like for the entire week. 58 for the high today in Pocatello, 59 in Idaho Falls. So we're right around those average temperatures. Same for our overnight lows. 33 tonight in Pocatello, 31 in Idaho Falls. Since midnight, we have been dry. Sunrise will be just before 8 o'clock this morning. Sunset will be around 6:30 tonight. So our days are ever so slowly becoming shorter. In the lower plain today, we're going to have sunny skies, light winds, 58 in both Pocatello and in Blackfoot. In the upper plain, it's also going to be a calm day, sunny skies, light winds, 57 in Rexburg, 55 in St. Anthony. So it's going to be a beautiful fall day. And in the mountains and highlands today, we're going to have sunny skies. Temperatures will be around 55 in Soda Springs, 57 in Malad City, 58 in Arco. Then tonight in the mountains and highlands, mostly clear skies, 28 in Driggs, 30 in Malad City. And in the lower plain, clear and calm conditions, 33 for the overnight low in both Pocatello and in American Falls. In the upper plain, also clear and calm, 31 for the overnight low in both Idaho Falls and in Rexburg. Well, tomorrow in the upper plain, still going to have that sunshine. Temperatures a couple degrees warmer than today and a couple of degrees above average too. 62 for the high in Idaho Falls, 59 in Rexburg. In the lower plain, we'll have sunny skies, temperatures in the 60s, in the low 60s. And in the mountains and highlands, sunny skies, 57 in both Soda Springs and in Driggs, 58 in Malad City, 60 in Arco. Then taking a look at our Pocatello 6-day forecast, they're going to see it's going to be a pretty clear and calm week. Sunshine for the entire 6th day. We're going to be dry, having temperatures in the high 50s to low 60s. Then for Idaho Falls 6-day forecast, we're also going to have this beautiful fall 6-day forecast with dry conditions, sunshine, and temperatures in the low 60s.